back again with another haul. For some reason, they all died. Sobrang game changer nito. The quality is chef's kiss. It's very cheap for a set of bedsheet. I kinda think it's getting out of control. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing you all of the room decorations that I got from Shopee, and finally, after a long time, we're back again with another haul. And I'm actually very excited with this video because I feel like I'm now at the stage in life where shopping for furniture and room decorations really make me happy as much as makeup and clothes do. Pero ewan ko ba, iba talaga yung excitement ko dito lately, and I kinda think it's getting out of control. But before we begin, this video that you're about to watch is actually a part of my room makeover series. So if you haven't watched these videos yet, I will be putting the link down below or somewhere here in the screen so you guys could see them up close and more detailed on how I put them into order accordingly. So anyway, huwag na natin ito pahabain pa. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so the first thing I have here is this 3D LED digital clock for 340 pesos. By far, this is the cheapest one I could find on Shopee that has good reviews kasi yung iba, it ranges around 400 to 500 pesos already. And what I love about this is that you can display it in two ways. So, it has a detachable stand and you can use it as it is, or you can mount it onto the wall using this hole on the back. Ayan. And I find it very efficient as well kasi it doesn't only displays both the 12 and 24-hour clock, it also shows the date and temperature as well. Pwede mo din i-adjust yung brightness, depends on your preference, and I just opted for this white font lang, but they have tons of other colors too. It comes with a battery, ayan. Actually, may may cover, pero nawala ko na. And also a USB power connector, so in case that the battery is already drained, you can just plug it in and it will work perfectly well. Regarding with the material, it is plastic, yes, but I still find it very sturdy. Pwede mo siyang gamitin in the long run. Medyo nahirapan lang ako i-set up to kasi yung manual niya hindi masyadong understandable. But you can just search any tutorial on YouTube just like what I did, and I'll just be putting that link down below so you guys have some references. I also got 4 of these LED stick lamp for only 25 pesos each. Honestly, at first, I don't know how will I be able to utilize this kasi we already removed yung hanging shelf ko before. And supposedly, dapat isa-stick ko siya dun sa ilalim. But then I scrolled through Pinterest and thought of sticking this inside my cabinet instead. And to be honest, I think it turned out cute kasi para ako nagkaroon ng instant built-in cabinet lights. So yeah, such a steal. Moving on, I also bought 2 artificial potted plants. This one is for 84 pesos and the other one is for 99 pesos. Okay, so before you judge me kasi I mentioned on my previous video that I will get real cactus plants, and I actually did, but the thing is, super high maintenance pala niya kasi yung seller, sinabi niya sa akin before na I don't have to water them often, and they don't need too much direct sunlight. And sinunod ko naman, pero for some reason, they all died. Kaya I bought artificial ones instead kasi I don't want to kill more cactus. Kawawa sila sa akin. So, yun. Okay, so next one are these foldable organizer storage boxes for 149 pesos each. It's already a set of 2, one small and then one large, so I only got 2 of these cream sets, but they also have other colors available too. It's also super nice because it's very spacious. You can see that I can store a lot of things inside here, and it has a cover as well, so hindi madaling maalibukan. Hindi madaling likabukan yung mga gamit sa loob. And although foldable siya and medyo malambot yung tela, I still find it very sturdy kasi it has a fabric at the bottom, this one. So kahit madaming laman sa loob, hindi siya na-deform or whatsoever. Next one is this shoebox organizer. Super dami ko pinili nito actually. I got 8 of these kasi it's 34 pesos each lang naman. And it's easy to assemble, by the way. There's a tutorial video included sa seller's page. Plus, it's easy access as well. Pulong mo lang to upward and that's it. It can fit all of my shoes, even the ones that are bulky, as you can see. And also the high heels too. Tapos, it's also stackable, meaning to say, even though the material is plastic, kahit ipatong mo sila all together, hindi sila babagsak. And they have tons of other colors available that you can choose from, so you guys should check them out. Okay, so next thing I got here is this makeup organizer, but I think you can also use this for stationaries or other stuff for storage. And I got the white one lang for 149 pesos only. I actually can store a lot of things inside here because it has some drawers, ayan, and tons of compartments. So, yung mga malilit na essentials ko like hand cream, lip balm, alcohol, or nail polish. Dito ko lang sila nilalagay para I can get them easily. Siguro it's kind of big sa camera, pero no, maliit lang talaga siya. Pero for me, sakto lang yung size niya sa vanity table ko. But I'll try to put its measurements down below so you guys have some references too. I also got an acrylic organizer with 12 slots, and you can put different kinds of lipstick products over here kasi diba sometimes their packaging comes in different shapes or sizes, but I feel like kasha kahit na ano dito, and it's very compact too. It fits perfectly for most dressers and vanity tables, plus it's only for 99 pesos, so super mura lang, such a must-have. Just to add lang guys, I also got this tiny jewelry bill organizers for only 5 pesos each. You guys, I cannot emphasize how much this one helped me kasi yung mga necklaces ko, it's always tangled or scattered everywhere. But this one, you can just bring it whenever you're going on a travel or kahit at home lang. Just store it anywhere and you won't lose your jewelries at all. Also, the good thing is you can also use it for your memory card or SD card. Yung mga small items na very prone mawala. So yeah, super cute. Moving on, I got a cotton and cotton buds organizer. I bought this from 2 different shops. This one is for 95 pesos and the other one is for 165 pesos. I really love it kasi my vanity table looks more tidy and put together because of these two. Plus, it's also small, lightweight, and dustproof. For the next items, I got 2 of these wooden hanging shelf for 193 pesos each. Ayan yung isa. And it comes with 1 wooden plank, 2 twines, and a hook. Ito guys, I wouldn't rate it as a 5 out of 5 because when I got it, it has some dents. Ito pa yung isa. And also, one of the hooks were damaged. So, I had to improvise and use yung hook na naka-built-in na talaga sa wall ko. Pero ayun, it does its job naman. It still holds all of my things together. Ayoko lang talaga na may mga dents and scratches. Sobrang pet peeve ko yun. So, yeah. Up next is this 46 by 84 wire mesh grid for only 150 pesos. It's kind of big siguro for you guys. Actually, kahit ako nalakihan din sa kanya. Pero sobrang kasya lang niya dito sa wall ko beside my bed. As in, sobrang nagsakto lang talaga siya. And also, this is the cheapest one I could find on Shopee. Kasi for some reason, ang mahal pala nito. Nung nagka-canvas ako, around 400 to 500 pesos yung mga nakikita ko. And malilit lang yung sizes sa kanila. But thankfully, I came across this one. Super nice. Looks very minimalist as a room accent. You can also store a lot of things too, like Polaroid pictures, reminders, decorative cards, or even some fairy lights. So yeah, I super duper love it. I also bought an 11 cm coaster for only 43 pesos. Eto guys, medyo fail na kasi nung natapunod ko to ng few drops nga lang ng milk tea. Nagstay na siya kagad dito sa gitna. I don't know if you can see it, pero ito yung, ayan, yung dark dito at the center. So kahit linisin ko siya, hindi talaga siya matanggal at all. And I also don't find it very durable kasi medyo malambot yung material niya. So I really recommend that you guys should buy yung mga rattan coasters, the dark ones, kasi I feel like it's more long-lasting and could withstand any drops of liquid. And then I got this 50 by 80 cm for 228 pesos. Ito guys, piece of advice, whenever you're going to buy things like this, don't be fooled by the pictures posted sa seller's page. Kasi mostly, malalaki yung mga items na doon. So you have to really measure yung mga sizes individually para no regrets din once it's already delivered. By the way, they have tons of other colors that you can choose from. This one is in camel if I'm not mistaken. And it's super duper soft. You can use it for flat lace, as a floral, or even as a side tablecloth, like how I do with it. Next one, this is the most recent purchase that I got pala. It's a cream white curtain for only 190 pesos. Ito guys, sobrang game changer nito kasi nung nagka-canvas ako sa mga department stores, as in lahat napuntahan ko na ata. The curtains they have, it cannot be bought per piece. They only sell it per set. Tapos matik na blackout pa. Ayoko ng ganun kasi masyadong mainit. And I also don't like the patterns they have. So I search on Shopee with the kind of curtains that I want. As in, sobrang na-in-love ako dito. It looks elegant with all of the silver details up here. Plus, the linen fabric is not too thick, but not too thin as well. Just the right amount of fabric that allows the sunlight to shine through it while also creating privacy. And they sell it per piece. So if you have a single window like mine, girl, I got you. Moving on, I also got some pillowcases. This Nordic pattern pillowcase is for 92 pesos only, and I really love the pattern so much because it matches really well with my room's interior design. Honestly, at first, medyo hesitant pa akong bumili kasi baka pangit yung quality or madaling masira, but I was wrong. The material is polyester, and even though it's cheap, the quality is chef's kiss. Nalaban na to I think twice or thrice na, but the pattern still not faded at all. Next one is this pillowcase. The material is woven fabric and medyo malit lang siya, so kailangan nyo i-measure if it fits your pillow or not. And this one is for 96 pesos only. And again, it has been washed for a couple of times already, but still looks brand new. And for my favorite out of all the things that I purchased, it's this 3-in-1 bed sheet that comes with 2 pillowcases for only 220 pesos. I honestly did not set any expectations for this because it's very cheap for a set of bed sheet, but it did not fail me at all. The stitches, it's well sewed. The color is not faded. Plus, the material is high quality cotton, so super lambot niya and hindi siya irritating sa skin at all. I really vouch for this one. This is such a must-have. And last but not the least, I kind of went crazy over this because I bought not only one, not two, but 3 tapestry wall. Ewan ko ba, sobrang na-addict ako dito. Siguro kasi I have this huge plain wall over here that I want to style. So I got 3 of them from 3 different shops pa. And this one, this is for 460 pesos, the biggest one I have. Actually, parang sakop niya yung 1/2 nitong wall na to. It's really huge. And for the next one, this is my favorite out of all these 3. Super sakto lang yung size niya, parang medium size, ganon. And the design, I fell in love with it immediately because it matches really well with my room's interior. It's for 239 pesos only. And for the last one, this is for 128 pesos. Favorite ko din pala to kasi it has this moon over here. Super duper cute. Tapos, iba lang yung size niya. It's rectangle. Like that. But I still love it so much. Kasi ang cute nilang lahat. By the way, all of their material is lightweight polyester with hand-sewn finishes. So, matibay din talaga silang lahat. Plus, you can also use it for picnics, as a blanket. So yeah, super love these. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like this, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also a comment down below. And I will be seeing you on my next one. Yours truly, Ara.